Mixtures and solution practice set question number 1. So you have the question on the screen. As always, pause the video, look at the question, try attempting it by yourself, and then later tell me also what you think about the level of difficulty for this question along with the answer what you are getting. Okay, write the answer in the comment box along with what you think about the level of difficulty. 1 for easy, 2 for moderate, and 3 for difficult, the hard one. Okay, 3 for the hard difficulty level. Let's see the question. Question says a man buys spirit at 60 rupees per liter, adds water to it, and then sell it at rupees 75 per liter. Okay, he is selling at higher price after adding the water. So understand, he is adulterating the spirit and also selling at the higher price. So he is making profit, which is given here as per the question is 37.5%. Alright. Now, what is happening here? This man got spirit and water and he is mixing both of them. Correct? So, doesn't it look like the alligation rule of mixture and solution? Alligation rule, which we discussed in lecture number 2. Yeah, this way, lecture number 2. We have discussed this, right? So I hope you have come across the concept builder video of mixture solution, so I can directly jump on the solution for this practice question. And if you have not done that, I would say you will not be able to understand this very well. So please go through the concept builder video before you watch any practice set question. Okay. Now, in the lecture number 2 of mixtures and solution, we have discussed that the cheaper, dearer and the mixture, all 3 of them should be in same term. As in, if he is buying the spirit at 60 rupees per liter, this 60 rupees is nothing but the cost price for the spirit, right? He is adding water where there is no mention of water cost. So we have to take the water cost to be 0. So cost price is 0 for water. But now for the solution, which is 75 rupees per liter, that's the solution, mixture of spirit and water. This is selling price. Yeah, he sells it at 75 rupees per liter. This is the selling price. So for spirit we got cost price, for water we got cost price. Then for mixture we cannot have selling price, we have to have cost price for mixture also. So your first step should be, your step 1 here in this case should be to find the cost price for mixture, where it's given that selling price is 75 rupees. On the cost price of mixture, cost price of spirit you know, but not the mixture. So cost of mixture you don't know. Okay, and then because there is a profit, so what do you apply? 100% plus profit percent. Now here the profit percent given to you is what? 37.5%. Now I will take reference of my percentage lecture number 4, the fraction percentage table. Here if you have learned this fraction percentage table, so we got one value 12.5%. If you triple this 12.5%, if you triple, let me make it here, 12.5% into 3, if you do that you get 37.5. Yeah, how do I know? Did I by heart this value? No, you have to practice as much as possible. Yeah, so practice the fraction percentage table also. If 1 upon 8 is 12.5%, what is 2 upon 8? What is 3 upon 8? Yeah, that we need to learn till 8 upon 8. So we will do this practice some other day. As of now, let's focus on the question here. So either you can do this, or 37.5% you can simplify by doing the fraction also. That's completely fine. It's one of the same thing. I would use this so that it look easy, and calculation wise it looks easy. I know 37.5 is what is 3 into 12.5%. 12.5% is what? 1 upon 8 as the fraction. So here I can take fraction value of 37.5 as 3 upon 8. and fraction value of 100% is 1, that is 75. Now if you simplify this further, you get 11 by 8 here, and this is 75. Simplify further, x is equal to what? 75 into 8 upon 11. What is 8 upon 11 into 75? That will get you 600 by 11, right? That is, this is nothing but cost price of mixture of spirit and water. Now you can apply alligation rule. Alligation rule. Okay, to understand alligation rule, please go through the lecture number 2 of mixtures and solution. The alligation rule here I will apply with the cost price. The term I will use here will be cost price. So cost price of the spirit given in the question, that is 60 rupees per liter. Cost price of water is not mentioned, and we generally assume the water cost is 0 in such question. Water cost is 0, although water is very valuable. Yeah, jal hi jeevan hai dosto. Here the cost price of mixture, we got cost price of mixture is 600 by 11. Now applying alligation rule, what do? We cross subtract. What do? Cross subtract. Yes. So subtract. See what you get. Here 600 by 11 as it is, and here if you subtract, you will get 60 minus 600 by 11. If you simplify this, you will get 60 by 11. Okay, so you got two values. One is, after that what do? The difference here, as per the alligation rule, the difference here what we get is ratio of quantity. The difference is what? Ratio of quantity of cheaper and dearer. Difference is ratio of quantity. Yes, that's what we have learned, which we are going to apply, so that we'll get the answer in the solution. In this mixture, we have spirit ratio with water is nothing but 600 by 11 divided by 60 by 11. Yeah, simplify this further. What do you get here? Simplify this further. What do you get? 11 cancel. 0 cancel. 60 by 6 is nothing but 10 by 1. Yes. So that's the question. What is the ratio of spirit to water in, if the profit is so and so? So ratio of spirit and water in the solution will be option number B. Yeah. So the concept which we used, selling price cost price formula, when profit percentage is given, I am using fraction percentage table. In case if you don't want to use it, you can simply add 100% with 37.5%, and then you can simplify, remove the percentage sign, divide by 100, and then cancel by 5 or so. You get same 11 by 8 here also. Yeah, I find this to be easy. Okay, and as I promised, I will take a different lecture on only fraction percentage table, how to remember those numbers and which are the numbers are important for you to remember. Okay, it's very important. Do not rely on calculator much. Okay, and I hope you are having pen and paper with you when you are watching my lectures. Yes, I know you're a good student. Okay, now what is the level of difficulty will you give it? Level of difficulty, I'm sure you won't give it easy, right? Because you have couple of calculation here, some formula to be applied, right? So it has to be moderate. Level of difficulty 2. Yes. Let's see the next question.